Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have a quick review of the Christopher Ward C60 Trident Reef. So these are the dive watches from Christopher Ward, and as you can see they come in 5 different colors. I have here the Helio Blue. So these come in around 895 euros. These are a 41 millimeter in diameter. I think you have also a 44 version. Lug to lug is around 48. Thickness is around 11.5 and the lug width of 22. You get this Aquaflex rubber strap in baby blue. You have excellent choices of color. You have this aluminium encasing, the blue encasing of the case and of the bezel as well are aluminium. You have running the Sellita SW200 -1 with an anti-shock system. As you can see, also a decorated rotor with twin flags of Christopher Ward. You have also Super Luminova, which is X1 BLC1. So you have pretty strong lume on the hands, indices, and on the triangle on the bezel. You get also an AR reflective coated sapphire crystal. With the strap, it's 103 grams. So I really like the watch. Very cool looking summer watch. I like the blue and orange combination. Looks also great on my wrist. Let me put it. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist. As you can see, this is how it will look on your wrist as well from the side. Very legible, excellent watch. No backplay, a little backplay on the bezel, which I noticed. Also, I think the aluminium is not as durable, let's say, as ceramic, but yeah, one can get another watch with a ceramic if they like. What else? You have screw down crown, 200 meters water resistant. I think I covered almost everything about the watch. The only thing I didn't cover yet is putting it on a time grapher, which I will do after I get the second watch for review, as I'm reviewing 2 watches in the same video, so you get 2 for 1. So we get the diver, and what you also get is the Christopher Ward Trident, sorry, Bel Canto. So this is the Bel Canto Verde, so green. You get the U-shaped dial. There are plain dial, U-shaped ones, different kind of dials. This one is the GPHG 2023 Petit Aiguille prize winner. I have it here on a shark leather strap, but it comes actually with a camel strap like this one. I'll put it on it later on. As you can see on my wrist, it looks quite nice. I'll get you a higher view of it as well. So you have a 41 millimeter diameter, 48 lug to lug, thickness around 13.5, and a lug width of 22. You have the Sellita SW200 -1 inside with the FS01 Chiming module. So you have 38 hours power reserve, 29 joules, and you have the passing chime, which I will show you. Basically, that's how it basically chimes. The case is made out of grade 5 titanium, polished and brushed in some areas, as you can see, and you can switch off on and on the toggle with the button on the 4 o'clock. You get also a mirrored polished chiming gong, as you can see Really, really nice. Floating time display at 12 o'clock, which is quite cool as well. Deep stamped case back with a sound wave. Really, really enjoyed this watch, I have to say. Really, really liked it. One of my favorite watches from Christopher Ward, I have to say. Yeah. So let me get the time grapher, put these two watches and see how they are performing. So we can see plus 28. It's rated around plus 20, minus 20. So that's not too far away. High amplitude, 0.2 millisecond error. Maybe I have it on the wrong lift or the wrong angle. But yeah, so we'll get around 30 seconds per day. So let me put on the Bel Canto. Okay, so I have to restart it. And let's see. Wow, excellent numbers. It started at around plus 3, went down to minus 3. It's rated at plus minus 20, but wow, excellent, excellent numbers. 0%, 0 millisecond beat error. So I think that one is working perfectly. So whether it's the Christopher Ward Bel Canto, as you can see on my 17 centimeter wrist, or 17.1 let's say, or the Trident C60, both look good on my wrist. If you have a medium-sized wrist like mine, or larger, I think they would look really nice. Smaller, I would think maybe get a smaller watch. But really, this Bel Canto has made me really weak against Chiming watches. It's such a nice watch, such a cool complication with a very, very affordable price for that complication. Find me another Chiming watch for that money. Around 4,500 euros, which I think for the watch is quite good. Anyways, that's about it for the double review from Christopher Ward. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. As always, this invitation to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.